A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Marcus Lyles, a black male, 1 year old, 1 foot tall, 24 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 2500 block of Turkey Lake Road in Orlando, Florida, who was last seen wearing a black Adidas onesie. The child may be in the company of Kira Lawson, a black female, 5 feet 1 inch tall, 115 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2011, blue Hyundai Sonata, FL tag number QXYF78. The vehicle may have tinted windows and black rims. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Orange County Sheriff's Office at 407-254-7233 or 911.